Hey everyone, welcome back to Hiking Outdoor Family channel. Today we're taking a trip back in time to explore a fascinating piece of World War II history right here in Delaware. We'll be visiting the Tower 3. This is a World War II fire tower. We're going to learn about its significance and we're going to discover the stories behind it. This tower just opened to the public on April 19th, 2023. You do not want to miss this adventure. The World War II Fire Tower, also known as Tower 3, is located in Delaware Seashore State Park. It can be found in the Towers Beach area of the park. This tower opened to the public for the first time on April 19th of this year, and they held a special opening ceremony where they honored World War II veterans. The effort to preserve and save Tower 3 started back in 2006. Volunteers spent over 1,500 hours removing sand that had blocked the door and removing 5 tons of compacted bird waste. Delmarva veteran builders added a fire protection system, a spiral staircase, an entry ramp, new door, windows, railings, and netting to get the tower ready for visitors. It is beautifully restored. Towers like this one were built between 1939 and 1942 and have stood the test of time. Wooden forms were constructed and filled with a continuous pour of concrete for 24 hours. The towers were part of the Fort Miles defense system. There were originally 15 towers in total, but only a few remain standing today. The Fort Miles defense system aimed to protect the Delaware Bay and River from enemy ships and submarines. Crews of 8 men from Fort Miles manned each tower. They were used not only to observe the coastline, but to triangulate locations of potential enemy ships for Fort Miles guns to fire on. No enemy ships were ever fired on. The tower is such an impressive structure. Standing at 57 feet tall, it offers a panoramic view of the surrounding areas. We're almost on our climb and we'll be able to show you the awesome views. Up here is absolutely incredible. From this vantage point, soldiers could spot enemy vessels and relay their coordinates in nearby artillery batteries. It's amazing to think about the role this tower played in defending our nation during World War II. And this has to be the best view in all of coastal Delaware. You can look out and see the ocean, you can see the coastal highway, you can see the bay on one side. It's really a great view. Although the fire tower is no longer being used, now that it's open to the public, it serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by those who served during World War II. This tower has been preserved and is open to the public so viewers can learn about the history and appreciate the importance of this location. Our visit to the World War II Fire Tower, Tower 3, in Delaware State Park has been an incredible journey. It's a testament to the bravery and the dedication of the soldiers who served here, and a reminder of the importance of preserving our past. I am so glad that they restored and opened this tower. If you ever find yourself in Delaware, I highly recommend that you visit Tower 3. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Hiking Outdoor Family for more exciting explorations. As we wrap up this video here, we're just going to walk around the Tower Beach Road area of Delaware State Park just so you can kind of see some of the amenities. It's a really great place to go to the beach. There's a snack bar, there's restrooms, they rent umbrellas and chairs during the summer. It's just a beautiful natural beach area. Thanks for watching.